heard what I said?
Kev, where are we?
Dude, I don't know, but why?
A dollar will make you holler.
We call Walking Journal, Sports Illustrated, USB-C. And before he drilled it, left-handed, and he's a left-handed bowler. And then when he threw his 12-1, thank you, that I walk over and then come to fire. Walk out, yeah, we got a lot of it. We got a bathroom. Kind of stick to it. Got the bag there.
Yeah, if this is a 1v1, who would win?
You. I hope you win.
I hope I
You win, that's good for me.
I hope you beat me by like 3
Yeah, exactly. We hope each other beats the other person, you know? Except for Kyle. We gotta beat Kyle no matter
The
what.
internal competition, but Kyle's not included.
Kyle, Brett.
We got him. We got him. If it's an internal team competition between you and Brad, who's gonna win?
It's an internal.
Like team competition just between you two. Who's
My
winning?
score versus his?
Your score versus his.
I mean, I'm always gonna bet on myself. My man's been bowling pretty good.
That's like Mitch. Mitch goes, well, I hope you
Wait,
win
I'm
because...
gonna continue this, but let me just pick a sparrow. So, back to what I was saying. Brad's been bowling pretty good. He's made every single cut. Dude, but the 10 pin's unlocked with that ball.
The 10 pin is unlocked. You can't miss it.
I'm picking myself.
You're picking yourself?
But Brad
By
has
how much?
carried me the last 3 years.
By how much? So you owe him one.
We're usually pretty even, so I'm gonna say 120.
Kyle just said he's gonna beat you by 120.
That's fine.
As long as it's like 120.
I'm going to beat everybody else in the field, so we'll be 1-2,
so as long
and
as-
he'll crush everybody by 120.
So as long as he beats you by 120 and he's 500 over.
Yes. If I'm ahead of everybody else in the field, we're doing pretty good. But to be fair, he has not beat me. When's the last time he beat me in a doubles tournament? This doubles tournament.
We don't know that.
Okay, the first year he beat me.
Kansas City counts.
We got out of the
Are
car.
you guys bowling together?
Yeah. We did get out of the car and I said, I gotta channel the Royal Crest packing. channel the Royal Crest doubles.
Yeah, a little Lawrence, Kansas action.
That's probably the last time Kyle beat you.
Yeah, well in the doubles tournament, yeah. In this tournament, I've carried his ass. So he's gonna have to step up, big boy.
I beat him last year.
Like just on the TV show?
Oh yeah.
So
That was a
I
COVID
just
year though.
wanna
It doesn't
keep-
count.
every time he says something, I'll spit the facts afterwards.
Purple? New purple left lane, old purple right lane. Yeah, baby. Nick, if I had to ask you who was going to win, you or your partner, who would you say?
Boy, let's be honest. It's gonna be Chris.
Sure, boy. How much are you winning by?
Couple hundred.
A couple hundred. Because you're that good or because Sloan's that
After
bad?
the first block. No, I just need him to get feisty.
Okay, so Sloan. If you were to pick yourself or your partner to win this week, score higher, who would it be?
Myself.
Like how much?
100%. How many games do we bowl?
12.
2,400.
2,400 above Nick.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
I'm not very good at math, but that's a lot.
That means Nick's probably going to WD in the middle.
Me and Nick have decided to put our differences aside for a week.
What is this one gonna do?
And we're gonna come together.
Oh, the new sends more messengers?
Yeah, the old one goes flush, the new one just sends messages. On command?
On set.
So I don't really know.
Zero strikes on the right lane. We're an hour in. Now I know. Now I know you're lying.
I'm average. No, because I've only just come over it. I'm averaging 0 on my first shot.
That's true. On 44.
Bump my average up to 4.
An infinite amount.
This one's going to be dead nutted. Now my average has gone up. And is that a 9 pin?
With a
4-9.
Are you gonna strike for us?
Yeah.
You're trying to sell that ball, right?
Not for this pattern.
Then maybe 43.
43 is alright.
Still so much better than the last one.
Well, it's amazing how much better you bowl when your heel stays on the bottom of your foot.
Oh.
Good for like 1 for 9.
Okay, first, real quick.
It looks good.
If, like, who's gonna win in qualifying? If you had to pick one or the other to beat the other guy.
We're a team.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. What are you trying to...
Team bowling. Team bowling.
You're trying
but,
to get us fighting before
Yeah,
we start. You set this up.
I don't want to beat him. I want to beat everyone.
Yeah, hope we tie it first.
I don't know if we have any closer. Just closer first. This one, by the way,
yeah,
is
we'll be drilling. It's a track heat.
No, it's a 3D offset. It's not on the set. It's not on the set. It's off the set. You know what I'm saying?
What layout we running?
I don't know. I'm just kind of closing my eyes.
Why we drilling?
Because we're good bowlers and we don't always throw urethane.
He's lying. We only throw thane.